In this video, I want to cover a very common confusion of what's an autoresponder and what's a workflow and what's the difference between them. And this is, of course, email, autoresponder email sequence and the workflow email sequence. So there's
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
two approaches. Which one is right for you? What's the difference? We'll start with the autoresponder. It's very simple. It's a pre-written sequence of emails that you can send out to your new email signups whenever you want, maybe on an interval of like daily, weekly, monthly, however you want. The key point about it is that it's not smart. So like if you can say, the first email can say hello, the second email can say hi, buy my product, the third email can say buy another product. But if your customer bought all of your products, including that product which is promoted in the third email and the fourth email and the fifth email, the autoresponder doesn't know. It doesn't dynamically react to what the customers have done. It just takes them through a sequence, regardless of what the user has done. So if the user responds something like, I hate you, you are stupid, stop sending me spam messages, and in the next automated email, the autoresponder doesn't know that. So they send, well, thank you for being a great customer. We love you. And so and so and so. Buy our products. And it angers the consumers even more. And most people, they actually do use the autoresponder because the examples I gave aren't that extreme usually. And usually you do want to introduce your business to your clients. And autoresponders really are a great way to warm up your leads and do what's called lead nurturing. Take them from a cold lead to a little bit of a warmer lead, hopefully sell them something. A step up in intelligence and also more technically challenging is creating a workflow email. This is also a pre-written sequence of emails, but this sequence of emails adapts to the actions of customers. For example, let's say they clicked some link, they visited some website, then the workflow knows that the next email has to be sent according to what the customer did. It's not just blindly going to send things. You're going to set what the reaction would be. So if a customer visited some sales page but didn't buy, then you would say, hey, then the next email would be something like, hey, I saw you visited our sales page, didn't buy. Was there anything wrong? So it would adapt to the consumer's actions. So that's the difference between the autoresponder and the workflow. The autoresponders, they are easier to set up and they are easier to manage. So if you are just starting out learning about how to do email marketing, I'd suggest doing the autoresponder only. If you're more advanced and if you have technical ability to set up all the analytics and everything and can handle more complex sales copywriting and email copywriting, then workflow is probably a better option for you. Workflows, they take more time to create. They're more error prone because of more complexity. So again, if you're a beginner, autoresponder is actually great for you. If you're an advanced user, then workflows.